Hello everyone, welcome to Mifratech. Today in this section we will learn about Esp8266 Wi-Fi module. It is mainly used for wireless data transfer purpose. It is only a Wi-Fi module. So as you can see, this Esp8266 Wi-Fi module will look like. So this is exactly. So this Esp8266 Wi-Fi module is a self-contained SoC with integrated TSP or IP protocol stack. Mainly works for Wi-Fi network. So this is capable of either hosting an application or offloading all the Wi-Fi networking functions from another application processor. So you can connect this as an external Wi-Fi for this mini microcontroller where it doesn't have Wi-Fi facility in it, inbuilt Wi-Fi. So each Esp8266 module mainly comes with a pre-programmed with an 80 command set firmware. So you can simply hook up this in any audio like Arduino microcontroller because there doesn't have any Wi-Fi. So you can connect this to Arduino microcontroller and you can use them using 80 commands. So this module mainly has powerful enough onboard processing and the storage capability that mainly allows us to integrate with sensors and other application specific devices with general input output pins. You can connect it. So the Esp8266 mainly supports APST for that is VoIP applications and Bluetooth coexistent interfaces. Also you can use it. It contains a self-calibrated RF allowing mainly work to under all the operating conditions, and it does not require any external RF parts in order to work out. So there is an almost a limitless fountain of information available for this Esp8266, all of which has been provided an amazing community support for this. So this ISP module mainly is not capable of 3 to 5 volts logic shifting. I will require an external logic level converter in order to do that. So we should not provide a direct power supply for this from the board. So what are the features of this Esp8266 Wi-Fi module? Means it mainly works on this 802.11b. This is the version of Wi-Fi it works. This is the IEEE standard, and this is the Wi-Fi direct, that is P2P. And Wi-Fi range is 2.4 gigahertz. It supports WPA or WPA2 also. It has an integrated TCP or IP protocol stack in order to send and receive the data. So the integrated TR switch, LNA, power amplifier and matching network. So these are all integrated in it. So it has an integrated PLS, regulators, DCXO and power management units in it. So it has 19.5 dBm output power in 802.11b mode. And the power down leakage current will be like less than 10 microamperes. It has a 4 MB of flash memory. So these are the different things present in this ESP Wi-Fi module. So it has an integrated low power 32-bit CPU which can be used as an application processor. Then it has SDIO 1.1 or 2.2. It can support SPI UART communication. And it has a wake up and transmit packets. It can wake up and it can easily transmit data less than 2 milliseconds only. It has a standby power consumption of 1 milliwatt. So so the operating temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius, and it is a very small module which is of size of 11.5 mm to into 11.5 mm size. So that it can be integrated with 10-bit. It has an integrated 10-bit ADC, that is analog to digital converter pins. It is integrated TCP or IP protocol stack is there. That is IP version 4 is there. So next we will see what are the different pins present in this ISP Wi-Fi module, 8266 Wi-Fi module. So as you can see, mainly it has a VCC pin. In order to provide a power supply, we have to provide a 3.3 volt supply. Then it has a ground pin in order to connect to ground, and a reset pin, and a receiver and a transmitter pin. So these are the different pins present here. This is in order to interface with any microcontroller. So the power will be like between 3 to 3.6 voltage here have to provide. So the standby will be like a 0.9 microamps. So these are the different power conditions, and the Wi-Fi features, as I told, 2.4 gigahertz, 8.2.11 is the standard it is using. The input output features is it has an integrated TCP or IP and integrated TR switch, LNA and balun, and it has a memory speed features will be 80 megahertz, 64 KB instruction RAM. It has 96 KB data RAM and 64 KB boot RAM and 4 MB flash memory. And the basic connection, like we have to connect VCC to 3.3 volts, ground we have to connect to ground, and transmitter of this Wi-Fi module, you have to connect to receiver of any microcontroller. Like if you take Arduino you have to connect receiver pin, you have to connect to transmitter of that particular microcontroller. Chip, this chip enable, what you can see, this also you have to connect to 3.3 volts also. The default baud rate of this is as you can see 1,15,200. This is the default baud rate. There will be like LEDs, blue LEDs is present. So these are the different things are present in this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Next we'll see how to interface this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module with Arduino Uno microcontroller. As you can see, the supply I have connected to the VCC pin, I have connected to 3.3 volts. This is in order to provide the turn on this Wi-Fi module. Then a ground pin I have connected grounded here. Next, the different pin, that is VCC reset and chip enable pin, that also I am connected to 3.3 volts, as you can see here. Next, the receiver pin, as you can see, the receiver pin of this Wi-Fi module I have connected to transmitter pin of Arduino Uno microcontroller, and the transmitter pin of Arduino Uno microcontroller are connected to receiver pin of this Wi-Fi module. Like this, we can send and receive the data through this receiver and transmitter pins. So this is a simple connection in order to interface this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module with Arduino Uno microcontroller. Next, so this is the sample code in order to connect this ESP module in order to transfer the data through in a wireless data transmission. So you can alter this program however you want, according to your particular application. You can alter this program. This is the sample code. In this way, you can use this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module as an external Wi-Fi module for Arduino like microcontroller which doesn't have inbuilt Wi-Fi in it. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.